we were challenged to take the Ice Bucket Challenge by Maddie Jensen and Believe in Butter Studios. We accept this challenge and are happy to support good causes such as this. We feel that it is important not to forget what this challenge is all about, supporting the ALS Association. So we have our donations to the foundation ready to go. Instead of making a list of people who we want to see take this challenge, we would like to challenge everyone who watches this to make a difference and donate to the ALS Association. It doesn't matter if your donation is large or small, just donate what you can. Your donations will be added to others around the world to make a difference in this cause. Well, here we go. Want to take that so it doesn't get... Now it's your turn. Go donate.